Today we'll learn how to find square roots of a 3-digit and a 4-digit number. For that I've already written the squares of number from 1 to 10, something that you already know. Okay, so let me take an example. Let's say 729. How do you find out the square root of 729 within few seconds? So for that, let's have a look at the last digit 9. So what number when squared gives you 9 at the end? So if you see, it's either 3 or 7. So you know now that the number that you're looking for has to end with a 3 or a 7. Now how do you find out what is the digit that comes before? I'll exclude the tens and ones and I look at the remaining digit, that is 7. So if you look at the numbers that we have here, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Since 3 square is 9, which is a little bigger than 7, I'll take the number that is less than 9. So that is 2 square, or 2 basically. What I'm going to do is I'll multiply 2 with the next consecutive number, that is 3. What do we get? 6. If, now here's the catch. If the number when I multiply is smaller than the number that I'm looking for, out of 3 and 7, it will be the bigger one, that is 7. And the number that the tens digit will be 2. So that's the number that you're looking for, 27. Let's take another example to drill this once more. Let's take a number, maybe 1681. Whoa, a big number. So now I'll look into the last digit. Since it ends with a 1, it has to either end with a 1 or end with a 9. 1 and 9. How do I decide the tens digit? I know it is 16. So hey, 16 is what? 4 squared. I already have that number here. So that's 4. Now how do I decide that out of which 1 and 9 will come in the ones? So what I'm going to do is 4 multiplied by the next consecutive number, that is 5. So what do you get? 20. Since 16 is smaller than 20, I'll take the smaller value. So that's 4, 1. 41 is the number that you're looking for. 41 square is 1681. Let's up our ante here. Let's take another number, or maybe a slightly bigger one. How about 6084? Really big number. How do I find out the square root? Again, the same way. Let's look at the last digit 4. So what are the numbers that ends with a 4 here? So it has to be either 2 or it has to be either 8. There's a tie between 2 or 8. Now how do I find out of which 2 and 8? So I look at number 60. What number when squared slightly more than 60? So if you look at 8 square, it is 64. So I'm not going to take 8. So I'll take, okay, so 7. 7 multiplied by the next consecutive number, that is 8, will give you 56. Is 60 more than 56? Yes, it is. So hey, that's the larger number that I'll take. So it's 78. 78 is the number that you're looking for. Now you've learned how to find out square root within few seconds.